Good morning, students. Today's our topic is Indian place value system. Students, in case of large numbers having 6 or more digits, to avoid confusion while reading or writing numbers, number broken up into periods with the help of commas. There are two systems for breaking up the numbers. First is Indian place value system and second is International place value system. Let us look up the Indian place value system. This system starting from right to left. First period is ones, second period is thousand, third period is lakh and fourth period is crore. Ones period consists three place values: ones, tens, hundred. Thousand period consists two place values: 1000 and 10,000. Lakh period consists two place values: lakh and 10 lakh. As it is, crore consists two place values. We can write ones place like 1, tens place like 10, hundred place like 100. After that, thousand. This is a thousand period and this is a thousand place. So we can write thousand like 1000. 10,000. Now look here. This is a first period. This is a second period. So the comma is placed between two periods. So we can place here comma. How we can read it? 1000. This is 10. 10,000. जैसे कि आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है 1 and 0. This is a 1000 period. So 1000 period को हम एक साथ read करेंगे like 10,000. Next is 1 lakh. So place commas between periods. So ones period and 1000 period, place comma between these two periods, and here lakh period and 1000 period. So place comma these two periods, between these two periods. This is 10 lakh, place comma because the period lakh period here finished. Now the 1000 period, so place comma. After that ones period. How we can read it? This is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh, as it is 1 crore. Now where we can place the commas? Between crore and lakh period and between lakh and 1000 period. Lakh and 1000 period, between 1000 and ones period. So this is a Indian place value system. Now let us do some questions. Now there are some questions. Write the number name of these numbers and place the comma between these periods. Look here. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Thousand is a separate period. So write comma here. How we can read it? 19,000. If any confusion, then write the places upper the numbers. 100 and this is 1000. This is 10,000. So 19,285. Next is, this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So ones, tens, 100. This is a ones period. 1000, 10,000. This is a 1000 period. So draw comma between these two periods, and lakh is a separate period. 1000 is a separate period and lakh is a separate period. This is a third period. So draw comma here. How we can read it? 2,47,158. मीन्स जहाँ पर भी आपको कॉमा दिखता है वहाँ पर आपने पीरियड लिखना है। कौन सा है? लाइक जैसे 2 के बाद कॉमा है तो ये 2 कौन सा पीरियड है? लैक, तो लिखेंगे हम 2 लैक। देन देखो 4 और 7 दोनों 1000 पीरियड में है, तो हम 47 को एक साथ पढ़ेंगे। 47 आफ्टर दैट कॉमा, सो यहाँ पर हम पीरियड का नाम लिखेंगे 47,158। नेक्स्ट इज ones, tens, 100, draw comma, 1000, 10,000, so 11,156. Next is ones, tens, 100. After that 1000 is the second period. Second period start from here, so draw comma here. 1000, 10,000. After that this is third period, so draw comma, lakh, 10 lakh. How we can read it? 19 lakh 28,750. So this is the Indian place value system. I hope you all have understood it.